AutoUpgrade is the only supported method to upgrade your database to Oracle AI Database 26 AI. Here you can see some scenarios where you can use the AutoUpgrade. So let's go deeper. Of course, upgrading, in case you are going from 19C to 26 AI, you can use AutoUpgrade. You can also use AutoUpgrade to do the conversion. If you have a non-CDB and you are planning to move to a multi-tenant architecture, AutoUpgrade can do that for you and automate all the steps. And also, you can use the AutoUpgrade for patching. For example, if you need to apply a release update on your database, for example, you are on 23 AI and you are going to 26 AI, AutoUpgrade can do that for you. One good thing, AutoUpgrade can also connect to Moz, download all the patches, and build the new Oracle Home for you. Even if you have a brand new server, like a new Linux server or a new Windows server, AutoUpgrade can build a new Oracle Home for you. Remember, one single tool for everything on all platforms. AutoUpgrade is there on your Oracle Home, but we recommend every time you need to use it, you download the latest version. So you have some options. You can go to My Oracle Support and download it, or if you are scripting, you can use wget and download using this URL. On 26 AI, we have a fully updated Gold image. It's not like on 19C, where you need to download the base release and then you need to download the release update and apply the patches. On 26 AI, we have a fully updated Gold image. Here I will show some demos on what AutoUpgrade can do for you. For example, here I have my configuration file. I'm asking to download the recommended patches. And then you may be aware of this note 555.1. So let's check if we have some recommended patches for 26 AI. And yes, we have one-off patch that we can download. So let's copy this number and add this number to our configuration file. Now we can call the AutoUpgrade in the download mode, and AutoUpgrade will connect to my Oracle support and download all the patches for me. For example, the recommended patches will be the release update, the latest release update, the latest op patch, the latest data bundle patch. And you can see we have all the files on the folder specified. Now I can add to my configuration file a home settings edition saying I want to install Enterprise Edition on this folder. So let's check the folder. You can see it doesn't exist yet. So Oracle AutoUpgrade will build the new home for you. Then I can call the create home mode and AutoUpgrade will install building the new Oracle home. So let's speed a bit to not wait too much. So you can see now it's installing the Oracle home. Now it's installing the patches. And it's done. Let's check the Oracle home created and we can see everything we requested is there on the new Oracle home. Okay, so let's take a look on the configuration file that we use to download the patches. How about JDK? So if I want to install the JDK, I can use the JDK keyword on my configuration file, and then AutoUpgrade will download the JDK patch for me. How about OGVM? Since Oracle 21C, we don't have OGVM patch separated anymore. It's now part of the release update. Okay, so I add the JDK to my configuration file. I can call the AutoUpgrade in download mode, and AutoUpgrade will download all the patches, include the JDK. And here, it's a simple installation file that I can see. I change it to download equals no because I already downloaded the files, and I want to install Enterprise Edition Oracle Home. When I call the mode create home, Oracle Auto Upgrade will create this new Oracle Home for me.